Hey yo, let's go. Alright guys, we are doing a return of a duct. Look at that. There it goes. This is why you need to get your HVAC clean. Alright guys, we got done doing the return. Much better, look at that. Yeah buddy, watch it. Alright YouTube, Facebook, I did open up the supply end cap and this is what I found. We are going to get this all cleaned up. Again, this is the air that you're breathing in, guys. Is it the return? This is the supply. So please, please, please get your air ducts clean by a professional like ourselves, AO Cleaning, and you will breathe better, guaranteed. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Stay tuned. All right, Facebook, YouTube, we just got done doing the supply main trunk. You can see, looks a lot better. Call us today. All right, Facebook, YouTube, we just got done. As you can see, we did this is the supply main trunk. We opened up this end cap and we just got done cleaning it. And check it out. Good to go, all the way down. Breathe better. Get your HVAC clean. Call AO. Let's go. Thanks for watching.